how does that affect मतलब जब आप घर आते हैं?
I think the biggest problem is you tend to be surrounded by a lot of beautiful women as well, and that is obviously a source of contention.
We do.
Well. No, you don't have this issue?
We do.
We do. So obviously, like in the media, you should.
जूते मारती हैं?
हाँ, basically. There was nothing really. There was nothing going on. So my solution to this is involve them in what I'm doing. You know, obviously उनके अपने जो interests होते हैं उसके हिसाब से, you know, जहाँ भी एक कोई opportunity मिलती है कि the wife is able to participate in what I'm doing. यानी अगर मैं
That is the secret, isn't it?
If I'm going playing 2-3 shows and I'll be gone for like 5 days, I'm like, you're coming with me. आ जाओ साथ. You know, उसकी भी sad and whatever, you know, obviously depending on what her schedule is and everything. So I try to involve them. सबसे बड़ी गलती ये हो सकती है कि don't, you know,
see that,
वो अगर घर पे बैठे हैं and then the things that must go through their head when they
well obviously मतलब आपके पीछे वो मतलब you know चिकनी बच्चियां going
right.
You know?
Also I think once you become a media personality, and you guys probably know way better than I do, that you cease to become a person and you just become a person who people can talk about.
Yes.
And it's hard for people who did not make that decision to be in the spotlight. I mean, for us, I mean, we chose to go out in the public eye and be that way. But then if you start a relationship with somebody, it's hard to expect them to deal with that. And it's harder on them to deal with your criticism.
Okay, let me ask you this. Do you find कि मतलब ठीक है आप कह रहे हैं कि when you're in the media ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है मतलब obviously relationship में. But do you find कि a lot of the जो आपके जो young चिकनी टाइप्स हैं, the chicky types,
yes,
वो आपके पास इसलिए आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आप मीडिया में हैं या इसलिए आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आपके पास फेम है या whatever.
Of course, yeah.
How do you deal with that? क्योंकि उस पे आपको गुस्सा नहीं आता कि यार you know मैं हूँ ना. That kind of.
शुरू में बहुत अच्छा लगता था. बीच में it got kind of unnerving कि भाई यार ये तो मैं गिटार रख दूंगा, they won't know who the hell I am. And but now you just kind of accept it. I mean, it's fun.
Is it tough to meet real people by real people? यानी कि जो वाकई में आपको जानना चाहते हो?
It's tough to meet people who don't have preconceived ideas of you because you are a musician. And obviously, I mean, people themselves are fine, लेकिन उनके खानदान कुछ और सोचते हैं कि भाई ये musician है, ये क्या करता है.
लेकिन वो concept काफी बदल चुका है, नहीं?
Not as much as you think.
Okay.
I mean, especially recently मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, because like somebody had seen me perform in Mamma Mia. And कि भाई लड़कियों के साथ डांस करते तो मैंने कहा कि मैं लड़कों के साथ डांस करूं फिर. I mean, it wasn't real. It was a musical, but it was pretend, right? But कि नहीं they thought कि भाई ये इस तरह का लड़का है, and you know this kind of stuff gets back to your parents then. Then they start feeling कि यार you know.
आप तो लड़कियों के साथ स्टेज पे डांस करते थे. Okay, tell me about your parents. Their reaction, मतलब clearly it's a conservative family.
Well, conservative.
As in the traditionalists.
Very traditional, yes.
ठीक है. And जब वो देखते हैं कि आप स्टेज पे, for example, जब आप मामा मिया ने आपने उसमें हिस्सा लिया था, you were dancing with girls, you're a rock star, you're jumping and screaming on stage, लड़कियां वहाँ पे आप मतलब you know they're throwing their numbers up on stage for you to sort of pick up. I know all this happens, okay? I've seen the works. How do they deal with it? जब आप घर आते हैं, सलाम अलैकुम मम्मी अब्बू, कैसे हैं आप?
They are very how should I put it?
Are they waiting? अब वो क्या इंतजार करेंगे? हाँ बेटे अभी शौक क्या है? वो शौक खत्म हो जाएगा फिर सुधर जाएगा बच्चा. शुरू
में था I think, and then like gradually they started like noticing कि भाई चीजें कुछ हो रही हैं या people when other people tell them about it, I think that's when they started realizing कि कुछ हो रहा है and it's not just like a thing. They keep me very grounded. They're very careful to point out कि तुमने क्या गलत क्या किया. They're very critical. They're musical snobs.
Okay.
So they will tell me कि तुमने ये सही नहीं गाया, ये सही नहीं किया.
Which is good. Okay.
Which is great. And it always keeps me grounded when I come.
Do they read your blogs?
No, thank God. No.
I don't even know about the blogs. Okay.
If they're worried about you to dancing girl or Mamma Mia, तो वो blog पढ़ के क्या सोचते हैं?
इस शो के बाद शायद वो इंटरनेट पे जाएंगे. हाँ बेटा तुमने क्या लिखा है वैसे इंटरनेट पे?
Oh my God.
अच्छा. उमरान is a full-time musician.
Yes.
मतलब और कोई काम नहीं करते हैं. आप अपने वालिद के साथ काम करते हैं. As a musician, जो traditionally आप musician सोचते हैं, free spirit, artist, you know, bohemian. How does that fit in with your corporate image, with your father's business image, you know? Or for example, when you're, I'm sure आपके business meetings होते हैं, आप दूसरे लोगों से मिलते हैं, in a very professional level.
Yes.
अच्छा, आप Auntie Disco project वाले हैं. How does that work for you professionally?
That's only happened once. कि भाई somebody came up to me with a newspaper clipping and like, yeah, and I was tempted to say कि नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ. But then I was like, हाँ. आप ये भी करते हैं जी, and then there's not much you can do, and then they
but how do you deal with it? It's not about what you can't stop other people, but how do you
just accept it very honestly, and I said कि हाँ,
your father doesn't go, oh बेटा शायद आपको ये काम अब छोड़ना चाहिए.
That never came up. I mean, he's a very firm supporter of everything I've done.
All right, okay.
And you know, as long as I can keep that part going well and efficiently, तो फिर उसमें कोई मसला नहीं होता.
And I think as long as ये music का काम integrity के साथ आप कर रहे हैं, and you don't, you know, kind of degrade the whole setup.
It's not about getting the chicks, it's about the music.
Yeah, you keep yourself respectable in the way you make your music and you play your music.
Absolutely.
And don't...
Umran with integrity and Umar Bilal Akhtar as well. इनसे हम कुछ और सवालात करेंगे, लेकिन छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. Please stay with us. You're watching No Reservations.